You need to watch this if you're eyeing a pre-owned Ram 1500. Let's hit the road with some pros and cons. Alright, let's start with the pros. First up, price. Buying used means you avoid that new car depreciation. You can get a sweet deal on a Ram 1500 that's just a few years old. Plus, Ram 1500s are known for their durability, so they've got plenty of life left in them. Next, features. Many used models come loaded with upgrades like leather seats, advanced infotainment systems, and those giant touchscreens. You're getting all the bells and whistles without the hefty price tag. Now let's hit the brakes and talk cons. Maintenance. You might inherit some wear and tear, so keep an eye on those maintenance records. And of course there's the warranty factor. Used vehicles might not have the same coverage as new ones, so consider an extended warranty. Another thing to think about is fuel economy. Older models might not be as efficient as the latest versions, so be prepared for more trips to the gas station. Finally, always get a trusted mechanic to check it out before you buy. A few bucks spent on an inspection can save you a truckload on repairs down the road. So, should you get a pre-owned Ram 1500? If you're looking for a dependable truck with great features at a lower cost, it's a solid option. Just do your homework, and you'll be cruising in style. Happy driving!